3 more ways to keep your spine healthy and happy in the air, part 2.
1. Improve posture habits. Limit the time your head is in a forward flex position. You can encourage this by reading or using your phone in a more upright position. 2. Walk, 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 walk. This will be easy if you follow the steps to success in part 1. It is so important to move and let that blood flow all around the body to prevent any buildup of unnecessary swelling. 3. Air conditioners reduce our body's natural cooling mechanism, sweating. Less sweating can result in a decreased perception of thirst. This, coupled with an increased water loss due to the dry air, can lead to an increased risk of dehydration. Therefore, make sure you are drinking lots and lots of water on the plane.